Wyze Bodyscan versus Hume Health Pod. In this video, I am going to break down Wyze Bodyscan versus Hume Health Pod and help you decide which smart body composition scale is actually worth your money. Both of these devices go beyond a basic bathroom scale by using a handle you hold along with foot sensors, giving you a full body reading instead of just estimating your upper body from your legs. But they differ quite a bit in price, depth of data, and overall approach, so let's break it down feature by feature. Let's start with Wyze. Wyze offers two versions, the standard scale body scan at around $80 and the scale ultra body scan at around $120. Both use an 8-electrode system with a retractable handle, letting the scale measure your arms, legs, and torso individually using dual-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis. The standard version tracks 17 metrics with a 4.7-inch display, while the Ultra version adds a larger customizable full-color screen and Wi-Fi connectivity for automatic syncing. Both work with Apple Health, Health Connect, and Fitbit, support up to 8 user profiles, and require no subscription at all. Now let's look at Hume Health Pod. This device sits at a noticeably higher price point, with a regular price around $350. Though it is frequently sold on promotion between $180 and $230. It uses an 8-frequency BIA system, which is a step up from Wyze dual-frequency approach, and tracks over 45 metrics compared to Wyze 17, including detailed segmental fat and muscle distribution, visceral fat, and metabolic age. It supports up to 24 user profiles, integrates with Apple Health, Google Health Connect, Fitbit, and Garmin, and includes a rechargeable battery. Hume also offers an optional premium subscription at $9.99 a month for personalized coaching and nutrition tracking, though the core body composition metrics are available for free. Now for accuracy. Both brands report favorable comparisons to DEXA scans, which is considered a clinical benchmark for body composition, with Hume specifically citing an independent study and claiming around 98% correlation. That said, it's worth being clear that these accuracy claims are self-reported by the companies rather than independently, clinically validated for either brand. So it is best to treat the exact numbers with some healthy skepticism and focus more on tracking your own trends over time rather than obsessing over any single reading. So which one should you choose? If you want the most metrics, the deepest segmental breakdown, and don't mind paying a premium price or occasionally being offered an optional coaching subscription, the Hume Health Pod is the more feature-rich option. If you want reliable, trend-based body composition tracking with a similar core technology, a bigger display in the Ultra version, and no subscription at all at less than half the price, the Wyze Bodyscan lineup is the better value pick. Now for some pro tips. Whichever scale you choose, always weigh yourself at a consistent time of day, ideally in the morning before eating or drinking, since hydration and food intake can shift your readings noticeably. Don't fixate on the exact numbers from any single session. Focus on the weekly and monthly trend lines instead. And if you are on a weight loss program or working with a coach or physician, exporting your data reports, which both platforms support, can be genuinely useful for tracking progress alongside professional guidance. That's my full breakdown of Wyze Bodyscan versus Hume Health Pod. If this comparison helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tech comparisons like this one. Let me know in the comments, which one are you leaning towards, the budget-friendly Wyze or the feature-packed Hume?